Go.
Hello guys, it's me, Coraline. Get your fingers. It's time for Lego sets. See, I got this Lego set. It has a popsicle.
Yeah, this was a free giveaway for ordering on Lego.com. Okay. So we're gonna try. What do you want to make? You want to make the popsicle, or there's a
Koala.
You want to make the koala?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we'll make the koala.
Wait a minute, are all of these in there?
I think so.
What?
Yeah, 12 in one. 12 in one. Okay. There's lots of stuff in here.
What does all of this make?
There's 12 different things. So, okay, this is how it works. So there's the instructions. Okay?
On Lego.com.
And you said you wanted to build
Koala.
koala. So we have to go to page 60. Okay, let's find the koala. Koala page 60. Okay. Let's open up these. And we're gonna dump them all out. Okay, it's not like the Gabby Cat one. It doesn't have the hands in the picture, but it does show you which pieces you need.
Gabby Cat one is more useful.
Yeah, you like the Gabby Cat one, don't you?
Gabby Cat
Next
is...
video, we're gonna open that one up, right?
Yeah!
Okay.
A bigot! Even though it doesn't have
Okay.
every single Gabby Cat
I
in
need
there.
3 pieces like this, or 2 more pieces like this. Find me 2 more pieces like this. Like this. See, it's a 2 stud, or 2 by 1. 2 by 1 brown. There's 1. And there's 2. Okay. Now I need this one. Look for that one. Gray with like a little
Hooks.
hooks, or things to put hooks on.
Is this one?
Let me see. No, but almost like this. Just 2 of them. See? Where is it? Did you find it? Oh, I found it.
I only
There it
found
is.
one. I only found red.
Okay, I only found red. Oh, that's close to it. Okay, I need 2 yellowish squares.
Yellowish. Are these yellowishes?
Let me see. But that's not a square. It needs to be a square.
Okay.
Or goldy color. I think like this color, maybe. But a flat square. Oh, here they are. There's another one over there.
Where? Point to it.
It's right there.
This?
Yeah. No, this one here. Okay, I need this piece. Square with like a...
I already found it.
Oh, wow, you're so good. Okay, I need 2 little gray triangles.
2 gray triangles.
The little teeny tiny triangles. They're
1,
like little ears.
2.
But they're probably not ears. Maybe they are. Oh, perfect. Okay, I need 2 of these white circles. Look
As a
at this.
matter of fact, no.
Here, 2 of these white. Those are the ears.
Yeah, those are ears. 1 white circle.
Yeah.
2 white circles.
Oops.
Now, what do we do?
Okay, hold on. Let's find the next piece. I need, 2 eyes. There's 2 eyeballs.
I already found 2 eyeballs. 1, 2. Those are the 3.
Okay, I need 2 of these.
2 of those blumps.
Yeah, 2 of those blumps.
I mean lumps.
Blumps? You sure
No.
not blumps?
Like these? Like these, Daddy? Or that's 2 blocks high?
2. See, this is 3 steps. I only need 2 steps. Here, there. I found them.
Do you need it? There's another step.
Okay, I need 2 of these gray ones with dots in the middle. This is one. So just like that. Okay.
Oh. You told me them were gray.
Oh, sorry, beige. Beige.
Why did you tell me them? Why are you telling me them are wrong color?
Found it. Nope, not this one. Dot in the middle.
I found it. Yeah, this one passed it. How did you?
I did. I did just pass it. Okay, now I need a gray with a dot in the middle, and then I need one that's like a little nose. So the gray and the dot in the middle is here, and then find the nose.
Okay. The nose. Oh, I already found it.
Oh, look at that. They're so quick. Okay, let's take a pause and show.
Can I show them?
Okay.
Koala.
Looks like a koala face. Kind of does.
Is there supposed to be a? Oh, I wish there was a smile.
Okay. Now look, there's a lot of pieces we need. So we need 2 gray circles. I'll find one.
And I will find 2. I hope so.
Okay, and then I need another one of these.
Like in whatever color.
No, white.
That's the
You
white.
found the gray circle? Oh no, that's a gray one. I'll need a gray one as well. I'll need 2 gray ones.
One.
Okay, I found the white one. There's a gray one. And then I'll need the gray circle as well.
The gray circle is very lucky.
Okay, I'll need a gray circle.
I'm trying to find it.
Okay.
I really wish.
Gray circle. It's not that one. Here it is. There's a gray circle.
It's very lucky.
Okay, now I'll need this one with the little pinchy part. And I need that one. It's like I think it's this one here. So I'll need this one with the little pinchy part.
Okay, they'll be coming right there. Some of these are hard to find.
There you go. Okay.
Did you see
Now,
music?
let's see how this connects. Oh, I see how it is. There, we made the little teeny tiny body.
Can I see?
See?
Why is it very tiny?
Because it's a koala. I don't know.
All the bodies are not tiny. Are they? Is there any orange in the koala? Because I got the orange. Is there any of this color in the water bottle?
Okay, I need 2 black ones with pinchy. 2 small black ones with a pinchy part.
One square.
Yeah, 1 square, black pinchy. Perfect. Okay, another one exactly like that. I'll look for the other piece that I need.
Oh.
Okay, I need this piece. I found it. Okay, so now I'm gonna make the feet. Okay?
Can I help you make a feet?
Yeah, okay, so we start off with this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now take the black pinch, put it there. I'll push it together. Okay, now get the leg, and then the leg goes like that.
I want to pinch it down. I want to push it down.
Okay. And then on top we put a little tiny pinchy one. Okay, you want to make this one? So it's the white piece, then the black piece, and then the gray on top, and then the little tiny gray on top again.
Daddy, I forgot the last little bit.
That's good. And then this goes right on top.
Like this?
Let me see which way. Yeah, that's the perfect way. Oops.
How dare
Okay, and then
you?
see, look, these are the legs. See?
Why
Here
are
you
legs
go.
are so big?
You want to clip it on here?
Why is the leg so big?
I don't know.
Oh, we can move.
Yeah, we can move them. He has little toes.
I wish him could stand.
Okay, now we need 2 of these. So 1 of these, 1 more of these. I found it. Okay, we need 4 of these little black ones with pinchies. Okay, 3 more. Perfect. 2 more. Okay. And then now we need the gray triangles, 2 small ones.
Koala will help find them. But do we have to search again?
The gray triangles, I found one.
And we'll find the other. Koala found them first.
No, the bigger gray triangle, this size.
I
Like that.
think you said a small.
Sorry, I might have said small gray triangle.
How dare you? Why are you making so much mistakes?
Oh,
You don't have any arm twists.
okay. Ooh, and then we can make make their eucalyptus tree. There you go. Okay.
For my koala
So
to
you
chew?
find this thing,
Okay.
and then find 6 little green leaves. These are the little green leaves. So find the spiky thing.
Okay, spiky. 1 spiky. 3
Okay.
meat. And then 6 where I really fit 1, 2. Is it 2, 3, 4? How much do you need again? 6.
6
How much
little
is this?
green things.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it?
Okay.
How much is this? Is this all 6?
Here, just put them on. And
How
I'll
much
see.
is the them?
Okay, you put them on. Here, go on the camera. Show them the little thing you're making.
Is it a little bit? Oh, there.
There you go. You see it? There's a little tiny hole in there. This is pretty cool. You can even move its legs,
Where's his
so it could be
arms?
standing.
Really?
Yeah, you can move its legs however you want. That's pretty cool.
Really? Can I show me?
Oh, you killed it! It has no head. Okay, make that, and then I'll show you how to. I'll show you afterwards. Okay.
After the video's done.
Mm-hmm.
Done.
Okay, so there's the little eucalyptus tree. And we'll click it into its hands, and there you go. You can play with it. How cool is that?
I thought his koala feet are supposed to split.
You can move them however you want. There's different ways. So, look, you can twist. So you can twist the legs.
Twist.
Yeah.
So him can do a split.
He can do the splits. He has lots of
I want him
articulation.
to. I'm doing a split.
Do you want to put blinky eyes on?
I want to thank you all.
One blinky eye? Okay.
It has to be this one.
This one? How come that one?
Because I always do thinking eyes on that one, I think.
Okay, you show the camera your blinky eye.
After when.
Okay.
Did it look good?
I gotta
look
twist
cute.
it.
Why do you have to
There.
twist it?
Does that look good?
No, I want.
That's why I was trying to twist it. I didn't put it on exactly straight.
Why?
Because it's hard.
Hey, you made his head move.
Okay, hold on.
He's like, why you give me a shot in the eye?
There, like that. That's cute, right?
Let's get my cue there.
Yeah, you want to show the camera? Oh, you broke the legs off. Okay, what do you want to name the koala?
Slumby.
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 Slumdy.
Slummy.
Slummy. Slummy the koala?
Mm-hmm.
Why is that the name?
Because it makes to sleep a lot.
Oh, okay. So that word is slumby, like slumber.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. So slummy. Oh, I guess slummy. Yeah. Okay. Is
Give
that
him
it?
this.
What's that?
I don't know.
Okay.
I
Is
just
this
found
like-
it in a Lego
Is it
spoon.
It's a spoon, or is it like does it want to blow bubbles?
Yeah, him was.
Does it blow bubbles? Okay. All right. That's it. You want to say bye?
We have to fix him.
Okay.
Let him.
Okay. All done.
Bye bye. I'm doing a split. See you later, alligator.